Hi, I'm Mike. If you have a garbage disposal that no longer works, let me tell you something to do before you buy a new disposal. Right underneath the disposal is a little red button. If the disposal gets jammed, sometimes the reset button will pop. It prevents the motor from burning up if it's jammed. So push the reset button, turn it on, see if it works. Maybe it'll start buzzing. If it starts buzzing but not turning, then turn the switch off, put your wrench in there, turn it a couple of times, make sure the reset button hasn't popped again, then turn it on again. Look at that. That's all it takes. That red reset button will possibly save you from buying a new garbage disposal. I just wanted to share that with you. So if I can save one person from having to unnecessarily buying a new garbage disposal, this video has done its job. I hope you've learned something from it. I really appreciate you watching. Have a great day.